In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change prices on Shopify. This skill is essential for managing your online store effectively, whether you're adjusting for a sale or updating your product listings to reflect new market rates. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the Products tab. Click on this to access all the products currently listed on your store. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your inventory, so familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. Next, you'll need to select the product that you want to adjust the pricing for. You can either scroll through the list of products or use the search function to find it quickly. Once you've found the desired product, click on its name to open up its details page. Now, you're in the product detail view. Here you'll see various sections that allow you to edit product information like the title, description, and of course, the pricing. Scroll down until you reach the pricing section. This is where you'll make all the necessary changes. In the pricing section, you'll see a field labeled Price. This is the current selling price displayed on your store. Simply click on the field and enter the new price that you want to set. It's as straightforward as that. If you're running a promotion or want to highlight a discount, look for the Compare at Price field. This feature is quite handy because it shows the original price alongside the new discounted price, making it evident to your customers that they are getting a deal. Enter the original price in this field to create that contrasting effect. After updating the prices, it's always a good practice to double-check your changes. Make sure that the new pricing reflects what you planned and look out for any typos or mistakes. Accuracy here is crucial, as errors can confuse customers or lead to unexpected sales patterns. Once you're satisfied with the changes, the final and most crucial step is to save your work. You'll find the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and allow a moment for the system to update. If you ever need to revisit or adjust the prices again, you'll run through these same simple steps. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage and change prices on your Shopify store. Keeping your prices up to date is vital for competitive pricing and running promotions effectively. So feel confident revisiting this process as often as your business demands. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your online store.